Hello everyone, I'm back again with this another video. Whether you want to uncover the secrets of the universe or you want to pursue a career in the 21st century, basic computer programming is an essential skill to learn. Yes, today I'm going to start with HTML tutorials. So, without wasting our time, let's begin with this. So, now first, with HTML, you can create your own website. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is derived from a language SGML, that is Standard Graphics Markup Language. The future of HTML is XML, that is Extended Markup Language. HTML is not a programming language, but it is a markup language. A markup language, it is a set of markup tags about which we are going to learn in this HTML. HTML uses markup tags to describe web pages. HTML is not case sensitive language. We can use even uppercase letters also in the tags. We can use even lowercase letters also in the tags. HTML documents contains HTML tags and plain text. Now, how to start with? Write HTML code in Notepad or any other text editor. Save the file with .html extension, or even you can save it as .htm extension. Now go to your web browser, any web browser which you are having in your laptop or computer. You can use even Internet Explorer, even Netscape Navigator. You can use even Google Chrome also, whichever you are having on your laptop or computer. So the purpose of web browser like Internet Explorer or Firefox or Google Chrome, it is to read the HTML documents, the notepad that we created or notepad plus plus that we have created, and display them as web pages. Now, these are some few more examples of HTML editors. Atom, Notepad++, Sublime Text, Adobe Dreamweaver, CC, Visual Studio Code. You can use any one of them, whichever you like to use, whichever makes you easy. So HTML, it was developed with the intent of defining the structure of documents like heading, paragraphs, list, and so forth to facilitate the sharing of scientific information between researchers. Now, HTML is being widely used to format web pages with the help of different tags available in HTML language. HTML, it is must for students to become a great software engineer in the future, especially when they are working in web development domain, web development companies. So with the help of HTML, you can create website, you can become a web designer too, you can understand web also if you want to optimize your website to boost its speed, to boost its performance. It is good to know HTML to yield better results. So the web browsers that you can use, you can select one among these or whichever you have in your laptop or computer. So HTML, it was created by Berners-Lee in late 1991, but HTML 2.0 was the first standard HTML specification which was published in 1995. HTML 4.01 was a major version of HTML and it was published in late 1999. Though HTML 4.01 version is widely used, but currently an extension to HTML 4.01 and this version was published in 2012, that is HTML5. So now let's begin coding with HTML. So first we start with the tags, the opening tag of HTML. As we know, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext refers to the way in which web pages are linked together. Thus, the link available on web page is called hypertext. As its name suggests, HTML is markup language, which means you use HTML to simply mark up a text document with tags that tell a web browser how to structure it to display. So now HTML tags, they start with doc type. This doc type defines the document type and HTML version. And now, so after that, we start with, after writing this doc type is written as, you'll write angular braces and then exclamation mark. And with that, you will write, along with that, you will write doc type, DOC. And then after writing DOC, you will write TYP. And then you will you can write HTML. Your, since document type is HTML, you can write even HTML over here, and then you can close this angular braces like this. And now you will start with HTML opening tag. Start with HTML opening tag. This tag encloses the complete HTML document and mainly comprises the document header, which is represented by this head. And document body is also represented by this body, opening tag of body and closing tag of body. So now next is this head tag. This tag represents the document's header, which can keep other HTML tags like even title, even link also. So next is title tag. Title tag, it is used inside the head tag to mention the document, the title of the document. And then next is this body tag. Body tag, it represents the document's body, which keeps other HTML tags like headings, H1, H2, division tags, and then paragraph tags, etc. are under this body tag. So now let us begin. I've already explained you this HTML tag describe HTML web page that is to be viewed by a web browser. And then heading tag, head tag, this defines the header section of the web page. And title tag, this shows a caption in the title bar of the page. Body tag, this tag so contents of the web page will be displayed. Now, there are two types of HTML tags, container tag or empty tag. Empty tag, they are also known as standalone tags. Container tags contain starting tag and ending tag, or you can also say opening tag and closing tag. Here, let's take an example. HTML, opening tag of HTML, and all your closing tag, they start with this slash sign. And this is the closing tag of HTML. So this is a container tag. In between we have different other tags also, elements also. And now empty elements or empty tags, they contains starting tag only. They don't contain the closing tag. So now after this, let's begin with text formatting tags. So heading elements. Any document starts with a heading. You can use different sizes for your headings. HTML has 6 levels of headings which use the elements H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. While displaying any heading, browser adds one line before and one line after that heading. And all these 6 heading elements are container tag. They have even the opening tag also, they do have even the closing tag also. And your H1 heading, it will print the largest heading. It is the largest heading tag. And whereas your this H6 heading tag, it is the smallest heading tag. So now let's begin with our PowerPoint. Sorry, let's begin with our notepad. So I'm opening my notepad over here. Okay, here is my notepad. So without wasting our time, let's begin. So I'll define now first my doc type. Okay, here doc typ type, and then this is HTML. And now I'll increase the size of the text so that it will be clearly visible to you. Okay, so now let us start with as opening tag of HTML, and now I'll give even the closing tag of HTML. Okay, so here is my closing tag of HTML2, and now under this HTML tag I'll insert head tag also, and now even I'll insert the closing head tag. Okay, so here is my closing head tag. Now under this head tag, I'll insert title tag. Title tag here, this is my opening title tag, and now closing title tag. And now what shall I give the title? this is my first web page or whatever you can give it. So I'll give, okay, what you want to give, you can give it. So this is my first web page. You can give like this also. And then now come to your body. Okay, body. Or you can give first web page also. You can just give this much only instead of giving a long title. So I'll insert now body over here, body tag. So now this is your opening body tag. I'll even insert a closing body tag. And now under this body tag, I'll insert different headings. H1. Okay, this is my first heading. You can insert like this, and then even at closing tag of h1, and after that again you can insert another heading. I'll copy the same one and change the, okay, so I'll copy another one here and another one over here. Okay, so I'll change here now h2, h3, h4, h5. Here also I'll change h2, h3, h4, h5. And now you can change even this also. This is my second heading. You can change here also. This is my third heading, and you can change here to fourth heading. And here also you can change fifth heading. And now you can insert even sixth heading. Total six heading you have, so you can insert even that also. Okay, here you have your sixth heading. So now under these headings you can insert paragraph tags. You can insert paragraph, first paragraph. This is my first paragraph. Under this paragraph you can insert many things. Okay, here I am here with my first paragraph. Okay, close your paragraph tag too. Okay, I've closed my paragraph tag too. Again, I'll copy this one. I'll insert even in this heading also. And now I'll change this. This is my second paragraph. Second paragraph. And again, I'll change this. Here also, I'll insert it. And this is my third paragraph. I'll change say. And now here also, I'll insert in the fourth one also. I'll say this is my fourth paragraph. And now here also I'll insert, here also I'll insert one paragraph. And now I'll say this is my fifth paragraph. I'll say call this as sixth paragraph. Okay, and now I've closed this body tag. And now even close here, this HTML tag is closed over here. Okay, so now save this file and check whether you are this whatever coding you have done, is it working or not. So you can save this file, and you can save this file with some title. Okay, first web page. Okay, so I'm giving this title, and now you need to save this with .html file. So .html, and now I'll save it in desktop so that it will be easy for me to locate. So I'll save this, and now go to your desktop and then locate your page. So look here, my first web page, it is created over here. Now open your web page. Look here, my first heading, it is quite bigger, and then the size of the heading, it went on decreasing, isn't it? So here the sixth heading over here, you have the smallest heading over in this. So now how to even format these all now, how to apply backgrounds. So go back again to your notepad. So suppose you want to apply background, go to your body, opening body tag, and then give a space over there, busy color, right? Busy color is equal to, in the inverted comma, which color you want. Okay, suppose you want green. And then now you save your work and then go to your, again, page, and now refresh it again. Look here, you got green. So this is how you can change the background color. And now after this, if you want to insert image, if you want to insert any image, so what will you do? Or first we will see that BR tag, that is line break tag. Whenever you use the BR tag element, anything following it starts from the next line. So this tag, it is an example of an empty element where you do not need opening and closing tag, as there is nothing to go in between. So the BR tag has a space between the uh, has a space between the characters BR and the forward slash after that. So if you want to omit this space, older browsers will have trouble rendering the line break. But even if you don't use this, if you just use that BR also, it is also valid in the these upcoming browsers, the latest browsers. Okay, so now let's see an example. Now here I've written in this paragraph, I've written, this is my first paragraph. Now I want to add one more line. Okay, in the next, this one, in the next line. So for that I'll be giving here, I'll give a full stop, and then I'll give a line break. So BR, and then you can give slash over here, and now I'll write in this line only. Okay, so that it will be clearly, you can clearly see that. So whenever you use the B line break tag, you can write, okay, line break tag, comma, anything following it starts from the next line. Okay, so I'll add this much only, and now save your work and go back to your browser again. Okay, so this is my quite a long line, so I've given a break over here. So check whether it gives a break over here, and this, your line will be displayed in the next line or not. Okay, so let's check. Go back to your this page and now refresh it. Look here, my this line, it came in the next line, isn't it? Okay, so now after this, okay, line break tag. Now how to center your content. So suppose I want to center my this paragraph. I want to center my this paragraph. Now I'll go over here under this heading H2. I'll write whatever text you want to center. You will write under that only. Okay, you will bring the center tag is, your opening tag is CENTER, and then your closing tag is, I've already told you how to insert the closing and this closing tag is this. Now suppose you want to insert this paragraph in the center. Okay, so I'll put this paragraph, the opening tag before this paragraph and the closing tag after this paragraph. Okay, so now this paragraph will come in the middle. You can add few more things over here. We use center tag to put any content in the center of the page or any table cell. Okay, so I'm saving this. Now check your work whether you are getting that in your center or not. Okay, so refresh this again. I have not put the closing this center tag. Okay, what mistake I have done? Okay, I have not put this center tag at the end. No, so that was my mistake. So let me correct my mistake. I'll put a full stop over here also. And now at the end of this paragraph, I'll put the closing center. Okay, so this is what I need to be done. Okay, so let me save my work and now go back to my browser. Okay, now here, look here, this line came in the center, isn't it? Now, if you use the tags very correctly, you'll definitely get the correct output. If you'll not use the tags very correctly, you will not get the correct output. Now, let's see how to draw a horizontal line. Horizontal line. Okay, here I am. Horizontal lines are used to visually break up sections of a document. The HR tag creates a line from the current position in the document to the right margin and breaks the line accordingly. Now, for example, you want to give a line between two paragraphs, as in the given now I'll give you example. So here I have this paragraph, this heading. After this heading I want to, or after this is my heading and this is my next heading. So between these two headings I want to give this horizontal line, okay, so that it will be quite easy for the viewers to understand. So how will you give that horizontal line tag? Okay, so let's see that. So your horizontal line tag starts with HR. So you will write HR and then you will give this slash sign. Okay, so this is also an example of empty element where you do not need opening and closing tags, as there is nothing to go in between. So HR element has a space between the characters HR and the forward slash. If you omit this space, older browsers will have trouble rendering the horizontal line, while if you miss the forward slash, the character, and just use HR, it is not valid in even in XHTML2. Okay, so you need to take care of that. So let's check our work whether it happens, whether it is becoming or not. Okay, whether you will be able to get. Yes, I'm getting my horizontal line. Okay, so this is how you can draw horizontal line. So now after this let's insert an image. Okay, so we have seen our paragraph tags, we have seen heading tags also, we have seen the line break tag also, and we have seen even now we'll see the first we'll see our text formatting tags. Okay, bold, italics, underline, and then we'll see even subscript and superscript too. Okay, so now under this heading, which heading? Okay, so under this is my fourth heading. I'll insert in this paragraph. Okay, I'll insert another paragraph. Here I'll insert another paragraph and show you how to make it, the text bold. And suppose I want to, under this paragraph I want to mention something important, okay, so you can insert that in bold. So here is my important, okay, material, and something like this. And now close your bold tag too. So and even close your paragraph tag too, okay. And now this is this year whatever you have inserted in between this opening bold tag and this closing bold tag, this is a container tag because you need to provide material in between, okay. So this much material will be bold now. Nothing outside this material will be bold, but whatever you have written in between these two tags, opening bold tag and closing bold tag, that will only become bold. You can also make this underline. So suppose you want to make it underline, you can insert here also in the same u, and you can also even insert the closing tag of this u. Okay, so here is my closing tag of you. Now save your work and first check your work whether you are getting this thing or not. So you look here, here is my important material. It came like this.